Most of small businesses have very similar stories, and they have similar beginnings. Most of them, they were started one day out of a hobby, out of passion, when you just liked making things, or you were interested in certain craft and you were creating something for yourself or your family or your friend, and then one day you decided to make it a business. The beginning is very often the same for everyone. And unfortunately, the ending of a small business is very similar to many. The majority of small businesses, they don't survive the first year. Many close in the first 3 months, half of them close in the first 6 months, and 90% of such startups finish their journey in the first year. Why? Because usually when we start working out of our passion and start creating a business out of our hobby, we don't really understand what exactly we are going to do. We think we make things and everyone is going to fall in love with these things, they are going to buy them. We try to sell them in bazaars, we try to post something in Instagram, and we are sure that it's going to sell, but it doesn't work this way. Yes, in short-term perspective, maybe it will work, but in the longer-term perspective, it doesn't work. When you are trying to build a business out of your hobby, you really need to understand that you have to build a system. You need to understand the bigger picture and to see what exactly you are doing, where you are going, and how you are going to get to the point that you have in your head. From this point of view, when you have somebody that can help you to understand the bigger picture, a community, a mentor, an expert, somebody that can guide you and explain how your business can perform in the market, what can be your niche, what can be your strategy, what is important about your branding. I don't mean that you need to learn everything about business and marketing and branding, but you need to know basics, because this will help you to build a sustainable project that will survive in a longer perspective. What we did in 2017, we created an online store first that was hosting small local businesses, giving them space to sell their products. Then later on, our online store called Virtual Bazaar became a community of small local businesses who already had experience in building their own projects out of their crafts. They became experts in their fields. They became experienced in their crafts. And at some point, they came to a level that they were ready to start mentoring others and help others to grow and to build the sustainable projects. Currently, Virtual Bazaar is transformed into VB Network. VB Network is a Jordanian network of small local businesses, artisans, crafters, and experts who are always in contact with each other to help, to learn, to support, to grow. In VB Network, we have different tools for small businesses, such as online store, we have a digital magazine, we have yearly business conference, we have monthly mentoring sessions, and many other tools and spaces for a small business to develop and to grow. What is valuable about our network? In VB Network, you understand how to move from hobby, from passion to a sustainable business, how to frame it, how to set your goals, and which steps to take to build your project as a business. It's not an easy thing, and of course you need to learn many things, and you need to be consistent and sustainable in what you are doing. That's why the network, the community, is something that helps you to float. When you feel down, when you feel that it doesn't work, that your business is not moving, this community is the place that helps you to keep on going. When you don't know what to do, when you are stuck, your mentor from the community is the person who is helping you, who is pushing you to move forward, to understand, to pause, to see what's happening and why you are not moving. So I can see during these years that the concept that VB Network is offering is really beneficial, it's working, and it's proven by many projects and many businesses. We can see the change and the growth from a small home-based, kitchen-based business to a proper established showrooms, clinics, shops. This is what we can see in our network. I'm really happy with that.